Starting Maryland inspection today. This way, that boy can get registered. Alright, we dropped the van off for inspection and we have an hour and a half to kill. We found a place to get pedicures. It hurts so good. Trying to get measurements of the van.
Here we are, day one of the van build. It doesn't sound real. Caitlin is still sleeping, no surprise, but we're not getting too crazy today or at all. My first piece of work. I think it took about 10 minutes, honestly, not too bad. And that was cutting up a bunch of other pieces and sizes. We got the whole rest of this bad boy to go. Except for where we're putting some windows in, the door there. You'll see it eventually. Anyway, here we are. First piece of sound deadener in. A lot more to go. Alright, so 2 done. That one took about 10 minutes, including the whole roll, but dum-dum. Not dum-dum, just learning things as we go. Don't get all Bear Grylls and get in the crevasse here, because it's kind of a bear to get in there.
Good morning. It's about an hour later and I'm awake. I'm gonna go check on Charlie and see how far he's gotten in the van. Fine piece of artwork.
Yep, thank you, ma'am. How's it going?
Great. My arm's already tired. First one.
Yeah. Oh man. I wanted to show you why we're doing this because this is pretty cool. So I got this side of the door, obviously, done. This one not. And I'm just going to give you a quick sound check. And that, oddly enough, sounds exactly the same outside. Alright, we're going to do another test from the outside. Caitlin's going to knock. Go ahead. I don't know where she went. That's me knocking. Okay. Take 2 from the inside. Alright. Caitlin's on the other side of this wall. Excuse me. I don't know if she can hear me. We're gonna find out.
Weekend number 1. successfully killed one box of sound deadener. Lots to go. But hey, got something done.